Complex decision-making. Complex decision-making. What it really is. Let's get concrete. Complex decision-making is choosing among options when you have many variables, incomplete information, competing incentives, and real constraints: time, money, people, regulation. It's not picking the best spreadsheet row. It's balancing trade-offs under uncertainty and committing with a plan to adapt as reality pushes back. Why does AI struggle here? Two reasons. First, incomplete data and shifting incentives. Models lean on historical patterns. High-stakes choices often live in foggy, novel contexts with politics, ethics, and evolving constraints. Second, objective functions are fuzzy. Maximize profit sounds simple until you weigh brand risk, regulatory heat, morale, and strategic optionality. That fuzziness is where human judgment lives, and current AI systems lack stable causal reasoning and value alignment to resolve it. The thing most people miss is the decision type matters more than the decision content. Before you solve, classify the decision. Is it reversible or irreversible? High or low stakes? Short or long horizon? Known knowns, known unknowns, or truly unknown? That classification sets your evidence bar, speed, and risk controls. If you remember nothing else, remember this: define the decision type first, then pick the method. Here's the mental model stack I use as my default lens. Base rates. Start with outside view statistics. What happens typically in situations like this? Don't anchor to your favorite anecdote. Anchor to reality's averages. Second-order effects. Ask, and then what? A price cut may lift conversions, but what does it do to perceived quality, sales cycle, support load, and partner margin? Reversibility. Bezos's two-way versus one-way doors. If it's reversible, bias for speed and learning. If it's one-way with real downside, slow down, widen inputs, and pre-commit to kill switches. Optionality. Protect the right to change your mind cheaply. Prefer options that keep more paths open unless you're paid well to lock in. Expected value. Multiply outcomes by their probabilities. You'll never know the exact odds, but rough EV beats gut feel in messy environments. Asymmetric bets. Hunt for small downside, large upside moves. In uncertainty, asymmetry pays your salary. Now here's the shortcut nobody teaches. Name the constraint explicitly. What's the real bottleneck? Capital, attention, capacity, trust, timing? Decisions fail because they optimize a local metric while starving the bottleneck. If the constraint is attention, your perfect plan that requires 10 new meetings is dead on arrival. Let me show you exactly how this plays out. Say a SaaS VP is deciding whether to expand into a new vertical. The naive path is market-size slides and a roadmap wishlist. The professional path starts with type, partially reversible, pilot, medium-high stakes, 12 to 18-month horizon, known unknowns around sales cycle and compliance. Base rates say vertical expansions often underperform first-year revenue targets. Second-order effects flag sales enablement, support complexity, and brand clarity risks. Reversibility suggests a bounded pilot with a defined exit. Optionality pushes us to partner before hiring a dedicated team. Expected value frames the target. Modest probability of big upside. Protect the downside with staged spend. Asymmetry says limit the initial cost. Chase logos that unlock future sales.